People team up to fight you, meaning you cannot be fought by one human alone. You are overwhelming. What a brilliant thing. It's why when you argue with people, they form into a giant robot, right? Whether or not it makes sense, and then they need to repel you in some way. You are simply too dense, right? You're too big in energy, you have too much velocity to you, and therefore, what they need to do is very humanly clump themselves together. Mate guarding. They sort of are worried that you talk to their girlfriend, even if you're not really saying anything. Happens to me all the time. I'm not saying anything to your girlfriend because I have a girlfriend. And like, I love her and she's amazing. But you'll find that people mate guard their girlfriend because they're so worried that, well, this guy's so attractive that he might sweep my girlfriend off her feet with his speech alone, with his appearance alone. And that's a magnificent compliment. The best compliments are actually these bad things that people do to you, right? The biggest compliment is someone trying to take opportunity away from you because they can see your potential. Yeah, they don't want you to get a bunch of money. They don't want you to be more able. They sort of shield it from you because they can tell that you are a giant. One would not suppress someone who is beneath them, but someone who's above them, they would figure out any way. Some people would figure out any way to try to get at you. All of these menacing things are your actual compliment. They're not going to tell you that, wow, you look great, you dress up super well, and you know, you're generally a good person. They'll never say that. But your haters will compliment you. They'll compliment you by trying to harm you. In Shona, we have a statement. Like, it's a bit of a colloquial statement. Anomako and deanebora. Meaning, they'll only mark you if you have the ball. And you have the ball. This is your compliment and you get it every day.